Welcome to our video where we compare the Tasti-Crisp air fryer and the Chefman air fryer. If you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy fried food, then you're in the right place. We'll be evaluating these products in multiple categories, so let's get started. Both air fryers use air instead of oil, reducing the added fat by 70 to 80%. However, Tasti-Crisp air fryer is priced at $39, which is almost half the price of Chefman air fryer. The Tasti-Crisp air fryer has a 2.6 quart capacity and takes only minutes to cook. The Chefman air fryer has a larger 8-quart basket and 4 preset buttons, all while using 98% less oil compared to traditional fryers. Both air fryers have versatile cooking options and perform well with a variety of foods. However, the Chefman air fryer has a larger capacity, with the ability to air fry vegetables and pizza. The Tasti-Crisp air fryer has an auto shut-off function and a cool touch handle, while the Chefman air fryer has a sleek, compact design with a non-stick stainless steel finish, dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. That concludes our comparison of the Tasti-Crisp air fryer and the Chefman air fryer. Both products have their pros and cons, but it ultimately depends on your preferences and needs. Let us know in the comments which air fryer you prefer, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparison videos in the future.